What is going on, guys? I'm on my way to my boy Will right now, Will Kidhill. I'm going to, I don't know what we're doing. Yeah, I'm on my way to Will. I gotta get gas, and then I gotta catch up to them. Yeah, we'll see what this day entails. It should be good. Oh gosh, we'll see what this day brings about. I was gonna ride with Sean, but I low-key want to get my last bit of content with like Will and stuff like that, because at the end of the day I am on a business trip. As much as I want to enjoy Miami, you know, I am on a business trip, so content comes before enjoyment. Oh, let's get some gas real quick, fill up, and get on the way. No. Alright, let's catch up to them. I gotta make some quick maneuvers. How fast are these boys moving, dude? Bro, I'm trying so hard to catch up to them. I just can't do it. I'm trying my best. I can't catch up, bro. Yo, homie's on an R7. How fast are you going, bro? Because I don't know these roads. I'm over here going like a on roads that I don't even know. And Florida Highway Patrol doesn't mess around either. There's a group that got raided by 12 run yesterday. Like I'm risking everything. Good. Yeah. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It was some rooftop bar like in the heart of Miami. It was good, yeah. Yeah, well 3:30? Damn. I don't know how you guys woke up. Yeah. I tried. Made it to the meet. We're about to go meet up with Fastlane D right now. Meeting up. Yeah, I think we're about to film some rollers. The rollers that we didn't film last night, so if you're keeping up with my Miami videos, but yeah, no, I haven't had a chance to clean my bike, nothing, dude. But a lot of these people are staying at my Airbnb, not my Airbnb, Abe's Airbnb. But yeah, no, I'm excited to get out there. Woo, I can't wait to finally get some rollers. Yes sir, we out with the boys right now, the boys. Exciting stuff. Oh, I haven't eaten no food today, bro. This whole trip has been me not, like, poor sleep schedule, not eating, staying out late. Like, my whole discipline of, like, anything is completely out the door. Like, completely out the door, dog. It's just, it's not happening. So, that's life. But I'm having a good time in Miami, and that's what matters, so. Woo! Yes, sir! Up there, bro. Oh, S1K's got that quiet play, yes sir. You got True Vision right there. Williams yapping in his helmet. Oh, there's Abe up there. Had to blow him a kiss. Oh, we having a good time. Oh, look at Will. Oh, he wants to... Yes, sir. Woo! Oh, let's go! Yes, sir. Oh, that was good. Outrider. Miami-Dade right there. What's the word, Miami-Dade? What's the word?
Many hours later.
I just flew past Miami-Dade, dog. Alright, we're pulling up. I think we're going to Danese right now. That's where we're going to meet up with D. So we're with Mez, Will, we're with everybody. Ave, my boy right here, Fastlane, everybody out here. We're going to go get some rollers. Kudos. And we got Wheelie Hut Jr. right here. We got everybody out here. Freaking love this mount right here. I love this bike. Sick. Fastlane's bike is sick, brother. I love this. All that carbon. Oh, all the rock chips from the other night, man. Kudos V4R, dude. Sick bike. Wow. Kudos, you need an exhaust. Come on now. We got this R6, R1. S1K, twins. And we got our R7. Oh, I'm excited to see this in action. I've never like seen anybody done any photo shoots before. I've never done something like this, so this is gonna be sick. Like to a professional level like this. Like they got a whole 360 going right there. They got 2 cameras in the back, True Vision, Itsy shoots on the right. Like this is sick. Look at them. Look at them. Okay, all right. Fastlane calls that calls a little swerve back and forth the beginner rider. That's what we call that, the beginner rider. Sick, I love it. I love it. This is great. Oh boy. Oh, sweet. Woo! That was a big scare right there. I wish I would have filled up on gas, brother. That's Broward County too. You don't want to mess with Broward County. You don't want to mess with them. Oh, all right. He's staying on the highway. Okay, cool. What is he doing? What is he doing, bro? Kudos, what are you doing? Yes, sir. That's my boy right there. That's Rafa. Oh, there he goes. Yeah. It's just a lot happening. I'm sorry I'm not talking. It's just a lot happening. I'm trying to pay attention. Everybody's trying to get in the shot, so you gotta pay attention. Look at what they're communicating. Yo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That bike is beautiful. That bike is beautiful. That V4R, man. It doesn't get old. It doesn't get old. Come on. Good, good. Yes, sir. Oh, I wish I knew how to wheelie, bro. This is awful. I don't know how to wheelie. I wish, bro. I wish. He did it.
I'm not used to the camera car going that fast. It was cooking. I was like, fuck, we're doing 80. I got to go clutch up. Fuck,
they were going pretty fast.
Yeah, they was moving.
Now we'll see if they want to check out the bike. What's going on? Hold on, let me get off. Thank you. You guys want to check it out?
Yeah. Yes.
Come here. Check it out. You guys want to rev it? Hold on, let me put it in gear. Here, you want to turn it on? Hit that button. No, go ahead. Hold it. There you go. Yep, you're good. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, good. Oh yeah. That's sick. You guys want these when you're older? Yeah, they're sick. Oh man. It was nice to meet you guys. Have a good one. That was a good experience. I love that. I'm so happy I could do that for them. My gut told me to turn around, so I turned around. I just wanted to do that for them. Yes, sir.